Next booklet we're looking at is G-2, which is called Extraordinary Check. Again, we're looking at more specialised yarns here inside this booklet. So we're looking at jaspy yarn, metallic yarn, space dye yarn as well. So again, we'll open up the book here, your quality swatch on the first page, and again some more information regarding the designs inside the booklet written up here as well for your attention. When we go into the booklet, the first page you'll see that we're looking at jaspy yarn inclusion, small scale yarn dye check pattern work with the jaspy that's been used in the ground of the fabric, blended composition, 98% cotton, 2% spandex, and then on the next page you'll see that we've used plain yarn in the ground and we've used the jaspy yarn to add more texture and detail inside the actual check pattern work of the design itself. Again, we've pulled out some of the key colours that we spoke about for Autumn Winter 21, the browns, the electric blue, we've got the green coming through, and then we've also got this really nice hue of purple that we've spoken about as well. On the next page again we're looking at more jaspy yarn inclusion. These are actually jaspy in 100% cotton. We can change the composition to include two-way stretch or indeed four-way stretch as well, it's no problem. Two different levels of blue coming through, more of a cornflower ground that's been used in the first column with the jaspy yarn inclusion, and on the second column we are looking at more darker, almost denim-like inclusion with the jaspy yarn in regards to the colouring. And you'll also see this electric blue. I know I keep on talking about it, very, very popular and very, very big for Autumn Winter 21. I think when you see it in these types of settings and types of colouring, just how commercial that colour can be used. But as you've seen during the collection that I've given you, how that electric blue colour can be used across many different ranges in dress shirting and casual shirting. On the next page we're looking at metallic yarn. So the metallic yarn has been used very subtly, only one pick and one end that's been used with the metallic yarn, but as it's metallic, only one pick and one end is what's needed to bring in that small detail into the fabric itself. Again, we're looking at blended composition, 95% cotton, 1% with the metallic yarn, and then 4% stretch, two-way stretch in the weft. And again, you'll see some of the two main colour palettes that we've spoken about, this colour of brown and electric blue being combined together, and also the greens that we spoke about during the presentation. And on the next page you'll see space dye yarn has been used here in 100% cotton composition. You'll see the bright red that we've spoken about time and time again with this presentation, and also the electric blue that's been used in darker blacked off grounds. The space dye yarn used very subtly and very refined. Again, one pick, one end at a time that's been needed to place the colour. A very nice way of being able to give an update to a flannel check for Autumn Winter 21. On the next page you'll see second colourways of these space dye designs that we looked on the previous page. Again, with the colouring, the darker colourings, the monochrome palette, and also these browns, they're brought to life with the space dye yarn that's been used using the electric blue colourway. It's a very, very subtle, very, very refined way of including that accent colour into these patterns. And again, these are 100% cotton, but could be amended to have two-way stretch or four-way stretch.